The death of 14-year-old Cherian M Sangma, a student of class 9 of the Loyola Secondary School of Dawagre, Williamnagar in East Garo Hills, has put the entire region in a pall of gloom, with most still in disbelief over what had happened. The anger of residents of the area at the principal of the school, Fr Melwyn Fernandes, for the punishment meted out to the class 9 students for missing out on their homework had led to him seeking shelter in the Williamnagar police station. A magisterial inquiry into the incident ordered by the Deputy Commissioner helped cool things off. However, anger and condemnation for the avoidable incident had continued pouring in from all quarters, with all of them asking for punitive action against the principal over the incident. The fact that the students were actually forced into menial labor has raised the issue of corporal punishment once again. While offering condolences to the death of Cherian, the Association for Democracy and Empowerment came down strongly against the school authorities for engaging school students in menial labor. The president of the association, Dalseng Bira CH Moment, stated that it is unacceptable but is common knowledge that various schools have been carrying out the same punishment in many parts of the state. This incident should be an eye-opener for such institutions to avoid such fatal accidents in the near future, added President of the Association, Dalseng Bira CH Moment. Schools in Williamnagar remained closed for today in mourning of the passing away of the student. Meanwhile, friends and family members of the victim paid their last respects today to Cherian, who was taken yesterday to his village in Rongjeng, where he was laid to rest.